Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you what you could expect from Singapore Airlines business class amenity kit. This is the Penhaligon's amenity kit, and a few things I do find interesting. It's a nice design on the inside of the amenity kit itself, but there are a couple of key things missing out of this amenity kit, like no socks or eye mask. Essentially, you've got the lip balm there that's included. You've got a facial mist, and you've got some hand cream. But yeah, I'm not sure if it just wasn't put in this amenity kit or not. But yeah, there was no socks or eye mask, which you tend to see generally in amenity kits for business class. So please comment below if that's what you've seen, if you've taken a Singapore Airlines flight recently with lacking socks or the eye mask. So I did just want to show you what the amenity kit looks like. This was as of December the 2nd. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.